Hey, in this video, I will show you how to contact TikTok about a banned account in 2021 on any iPhone and on any Android device. I've updated this video, so make sure you give it a like for the YouTube algorithm because we have a video like this a year ago. As you can see, recovered TikTok account, 90K views, but I've updated it. So give us a like for the effort, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions while you're watching this video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. And also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know. So obviously you want to go on the TikTok app, and first of all you want to inform yourself of the community guidelines. So you click on your me, which is the bottom right button, then click on the three dots at the top right, go down a little bit until you find community guidelines. It's right under about, and you want to familiarize yourself with them, because you can get banned or your account disabled for very weird things that you might know. For example, hateful behavior. Maybe you had some bad comments, violated graphic content that helps a lot, happen to go a lot, harassment, bullying, if you're doing exposed videos, nudity, minor safety, integrity. There's so many things if you're just reposting content. So after you read this and maybe the copyright policy, what you want to do is click on report a problem. It's right under support, and here you can report problems. And then when you do, you can find your tickets when you click on the top right button that has your support tickets. I did this ticket for a video last year, I guess, but yeah, you can support add in a support ticket for something like can log in with Instagram, and then type in your username, say that you still have this issue. They'll help you out. If this video helped you out, give me a like for the algorithm, comment if you have any questions. We're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value, and we try to get back to as many people as we can. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.